Uba Bindo lanong unong yalam barangba ka United Democratic Party haka jella uloong ba unsur Rkhie Lada kami ka Jing Knieh tiket Hapdeng Jong ubala don benta haka banseng ya ka parti UDP bad ubri ubamdei na ka parti. La ban kadaw hangne bana kaliang kinong yalam jong ka UDP nongkrem circle hakini ki khendiat sngi ki lapan pau ban kersan yuba Lambor malngiang UMLA ka nongkrem constituency katba na kaliang uba Bindo lanong ulapan pau ba mauru unyele eka election arhajar arpulai na nongkrem constituency. Uba Bindo loong babalay ki penmi eka kerteng jong ba Lambor malngiang banyak hun naka parti UDP ulapan rapru ba kita ki bakam bakidai naka UDP nongkrem unit ru kadon ka Jing artatin bakindai ki nongkit kam basisha jong ka parti UDP. Uloong ru balada kidai ki nongkit kam ka parti UDP kidai ban kersan yu briu naka parti balay ki Knieh bat ubriu badon sabar ka parti bad hapan wat Jing tim bakidai ki ei kini ki briu ki balakam milade bakidai naka parti UDP. Habakali halor ka rai bo kwa banyakhun na ka nongkrem constituency uba Bindo uloong kadaw hi kalong baki bamdei try jella lane ki non tribal kimju ai ka vote iki parti riulum hakaba ki jujit tang iki national party kumta kala pelong ye u banjit banyakhun na ka nongkrem constituency.
I have not yet applied. I don't know whether I should apply for ticket. I formed the UDP. All these people are new entrants to the party. I was one, who was there during formation of the UP 1997. But if they say that I need to apply, I will apply.
You formed UDP. Suppose in case the new generation denies ticket to you from Ngan, what will be your next course? Whether you will leave the party?
The first course is I will laugh. The way I'm laughing now. I'm enjoying. I'm even to think of it, I'm enjoying. Even to think of it, it makes me laugh. I'm telling you. Tell anybody, your friends or whoever, let them call me. I have been laughing now. I mean, to think of this subject.
Been said that they'll be supporting Mr. Lambor as the UDP candidate.
I doubt that is a UDP circle. UDP circle should go with UDP people. Why go with non-UDP? We have to investigate and find out who these people in the UDP circle, whether they are genuine UDPs or fake. If they are genuine UDPs, they should at least have the courtesy to contact me too. Knowing that I have been going around, why didn't it? Till now, I have not received any call from them, nor forget about approach. At least a call. So I don't know. I don't know who these people are. I really don't know. Yeah, a sitting MLA who is an outsider, where UDP is concerned. That sitting MLA is not a UDP member. I would have thought at least twice. I would have thought at least twice. If this person, had associated with the UDP, like Mr. S.K. Sun from Oplang, God bless his soul, he's no more, and Samuel Sangwa from Bangmara. They associated with the UDP, and that is why we have designated them as associated MLAs of the party because of the 10th schedule provision. Even independent MLAs are barred from joining any party. So in this case, when two independents have come forward to be with us as associated MLAs, what is the difficulty for the MLA from Nongkrem to join the UDP as such associated member? So as of today, everybody says that even the president of the party also, you see in yesterday's issue, he said that he is not a member of the UDP nor associated member of the UDP. So we are talking now between me, a person who was in the UDP from day one, and with a person who is not in the UDP. So this is also the issue, the factor that party, I don't know whether they will take this into consideration or not, but people are asking this everywhere. I'm getting a call from people that I never expected. I'm getting a call from everywhere now. What is this? Why is this? I said, don't ask me, I don't know. People lose sleep, but I'm always enjoying. I feel something that I didn't expect that, a person, whoever he may be. So in this case, it's me, who have been there for, as of now, the senior most in the party, that I need to think about. Maybe I have to go through, but even to think about is something that I can't imagine. That is why, I feel at times 2-3 candidates applying for a ticket. We do, as any other political party. So we had this experience in the past. We had in the past too. We result, we go by merit. There are some guidelines that we need to adhere, and based on such guidelines, whoever fulfills the condition mentioned in such guidelines, then the party decides finally. So if I have to, I will. If they impose on me that I need to apply the ticket, all right, I will. I'll abide by the policy that the party is going to adopt. I will abide by that.
But all these years you have been representing Rkhie and Rkhie as a family, but then all of a sudden you are leaving this constituency and
Yes.
trying to.
I have to be frank with you. I have to be very, very frank with you. I'll be very open, straight to the point. Most of the non-tribals do not vote for regional parties. Most. A very, 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 very small percentage of non-tribals, who do not think themselves as such. They go by merit, they go by reason, and all that. The rest, they will not vote for the regional parties. That is the reason why I have to shift.